Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. When you want to install the Oracle VirtualBox on your Windows 11 or 10, if you are encountering this error, so this video is for you. I will show you how to fix this issue. The root cause of this issue is Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package is not installed on your Windows. So in order to install your Windows and fix this issue, you have to install the Microsoft C++ redistributable on your Windows 11 or 10. You need to make sure that which operating system you are using first of all, which bit. So open here and look for here system type 64-bit I am using. Open any browser whichever you use and type as C++ redistributable download. Go to first link and now you can see the latest redistributable 2017 to 2026. Here is the latest one. Just click on that option and look for this option first, 64-bit. Download it, and this one is for 86-bit, but this is optional to install, so let's download both of them and you just need to run them. I have already downloaded the 64-bit here, so I'm going to install 86-bit. You need to install 86 first and then 64-bit first and then 86, and you are good to go. Your issue will be fixed after that. If it is already installed on your computer, just uninstall them from the control panel and thereafter restart your Windows. So this is how guys you can quickly fix this issue. I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.